how to store ginger for a very long time. So just gonna peel all this ginger. It's a bit harder. Alright, here's my ginger, guys. So I'm gonna freeze all this ginger, and I've got ginger ready at all times when I'm cooking, if I fancy making ginger tea. And on my skin, there's a lot of strength in this skin, so lots of strength in the skin here. This bit not good. Yeah, lots of strength in here. So I'm going to use this and put some water, and I'm going to make a ginger tea. I'm going to make a ginger tea from this skin. I'm not going to waste any of my ginger. So yeah, so I've got 2 trays. So ginger tea, just boil it for about maybe 5 minutes or less than that, 4 minutes. And there you go, you got your ginger tea, nice and fresh. Ginger is so good for you. It's got so much properties. It's very anti-inflammatory, good for colds. Yeah, it's good for so many things. So ginger is so good. It's always good to have ginger in your fridge. So this is how you can store ginger for a very long time. You just blend it with a little tip of water, and you just put in some ice cubes tray, and you freeze it, and then you just, yeah, and you have ginger always ready for you to use. And you just sweeten it with a little honey, if you require honey. And there you go. My glass of ginger tea is already very natural. Thank you, guys.